ホテルはどうだった？悪くなかったよ。高くなかった。でも Wi-Fi は無料じゃなかった。あとお風呂は温泉じゃなかった。Today we'll talk about how to use short negative past tense for adjectives and nouns, like saying, it was not cute in casual settings. We'll cover the grammar points first and then practice with the examples. You can also try some quizzes at the end of the video. Let's get started. Here's a comparison between the long negative past tense and the short negative past tense. This video focuses on the short negative past tense of adjectives and nouns. For adjectives, it was not cute in the long form is 可愛くなかったです. To make the short form of it was not cute, we simply drop this. So the short form of it was not cute is 可愛くなかった. For not adjectives, it was not quiet in the long form is 静かじゃなかったです. To make the short form of it was not quiet, again we simply drop this. So the short form of it was not quiet is 静かじゃなかった. We do the same for nouns. I was not a teacher in the long form is 先生じゃなかったです. To make the short form of I was not a teacher, again we simply drop this. So the short form of I was not a teacher is 先生じゃなかった. Now let's practice with more examples. Shiro wants to say the hotel wasn't bad. That would be ホテルは悪くなかった。ホテルは悪くなかった。Shiro wants to say the reputation wasn't good. It would be 評判は良くなかった。評判は良くなかった。Notice that E uses an irregular conjugation. E, good, is more commonly used in the spoken language, but we still use the original form 良い for conjugations. So, it wasn't good is 良くなかった. It's not 良くなかった. It wasn't rainy yesterday would be 昨日は雨じゃなかった。昨日は雨じゃなかった。Shiro won the Miss Universe competition and wants to say, the effort wasn't a waste. That would be, 努力は無駄じゃなかった。努力は無駄じゃなかった。Now let's try some quizzes. Which is the short negative past form for the movie wasn't interesting? Is it その映画は面白くなかった or その映画は面白くなかったです。The correct answer is その映画は面白くなかった。Please note that その映画は面白くなかったです is the long negative past form. Which is correct for the restroom wasn't clean? Is it トイレはきれいだった or トイレはきれいじゃなかった。The correct answer is トイレはきれいじゃなかった。Please note that X は Y だった means X was Y. So トイレはきれいだった means the restroom was clean. Next, can you say it wasn't good in the short negative past form? The answer is よくなかった。よくなかった。Today we learned how to use short negative past tense adjectives and nouns. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。